Hi teacher, my name is Hồng. I from group 2. Tonight exercise the head concept and the how cats on the head big world. The head concept. Cats is unsolved now a cat is hardware or maybe software built into the computer to store temporary data. Catching is the operation of storing binary data in the cat. This helps to shorten the set time by increasing the speed and reducing the latency of the website, and at the same time the operation of the website are also more convenient and faster. May the peak workload of the application be the top of speed of input and output. The rest of the cake is used to create performance to help the website or application have a high traffic. How cat on the head disk work? The first, the CPU requests specific data from the cat. In some cases, the information will already be there and request can the match without caching in the head disk. The cache then match room for the new data by a refile depending on the algorithm that is being applied. The second, if the requested information is in the cache, the data is erased from the disk along with a left of the addition information. The third, cache read data from multiple sectors of the disk, including data addition to that awaited. Then the cache then match room for the new data my flight signal. The last, the CPU's request can then be met and the cat already has the addition data logged in anticipation of the of that information between requested next. Thank you for watching.
The case concept and how case on has this works. The case concept case is also now as case each hardware of memories so were built into the computer to store temporary data. Caching is a operation of storing binary data in the cache. The has to sorting the access term is reaching the space and reducing the latency of the website, and at the same time the operations on the website are also more convenient and faster. By the big workload of the application and of application by the top of speed of inputs and outputs, the rest of cache is used to impress performance to have the website operation heavy has traffic. How cache on has this was the first the CPU request specific data from the cache. In some cases the information will already be there, and the request can be mixed with accessing the hard disk. The cache then reads from the new data by rushing out reset mean on the overall street, such if we uplift second is the requested information is in the cache. The data is read from the disk along with legends updation information. The third case reads data from multi-store on disk, including data in indigenous cases request. Then the case then may room the new data might fresh clean bytes. The last, the CPU request can then be mixed, and the cache or reading has the send data logged in a TC pattern of the information begin request next.
Hi teacher, my name is Nguyễn Thị Thì from grade 2. Here I will explain the concept of cache and how cache on the hard disk work. First, about the concept of cache. Cache is also known as cache. It's hardware or might be software built into the computer to store temporary data. Caching is the operation of storing binary data in a cache. This has to shorten to the exact time. This helps to shorten the exact time by increasing the speed and reducing the latency of the website, and at the same time the operations on the website are also more convenient and faster by the big quota of the application of by the top of speed of input and output. The rate of the cache is used to increase performance to help the website or application handle high traffic. How cache or hard disk work? The first, the CPU requests specific data from the cache. In some case, the information will already be rare and the request can be matched without accessing the hard disk. The cache then match them for the new data by replacing out depending on the algorithm that is being applied. The second, if the request information isn't in the cache, the data is read from the disk along with a large chunk of adjacent information. The third, cache read data from multiple sectors on disk, including data adjacent to that request. Then the cache then match them for the new data by replacing out. The last, the CPU request can then be met, and the cache already has the adjacent data logged in anticipation of that information being requested next.